Welcome. In this video we're going to be looking at the US extended single or the UK extended double crochet, and this is the fabric that it makes. This is just 4 rows. So let's get on with that. So we're going to start with a slip knot and chain. Oops. And we're going to chain 20. So we're going to work in that first chain on the hook there. We're going to chain 2 to get to height. So we're going to go into that. So it's the 3rd bump from your hook. So we go in. We're going to grab the yarn and pull through like we would for a normal US single, UK double. We're then going to yarn over, but we're just going to pull through 1 loop. So like we've made a chain. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through both loops, and we're going to repeat. So we go into the next space, pull the yarn through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through both loops, go into the next space, pull through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we're going to go all the way along like so. And I'll see you at the end of the row. And I'm just coming up to the last couple of stitches. Make sure you don't miss that last stitch at the end. And then so before turning the work, we're going to chain 2, turn the work, and same thing. So we're going to go into that first stitch, pull the yarn through, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, 2 loops left, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And we're going to go all the way along like so. So remember, when you get to the end of your next row, or the end of this row, you're going to chain 2 and then turn your work. And you'll see that it's quite a nice fabric that builds up. Yeah, I think this would be nice on for a bag. I think it's makes a nice fabric for a bag. But I'll see you in the next video.